Once again, welcome to all of you in my channel Tech Knowledge. Today in this session, we will discuss about the topics like protocols used on the web. Second topic we will cover web hosting, and third one topic is internet and its addresses. These many topics we will cover today. So let's discuss one by one. So today first topic we will discuss protocols. In the last class we also discussed about the protocols. Protocols are some set of rules that needs to be followed during data communication. Means every person will follow protocol. Means just like you take an example of our president or our prime minister, they also follow some set of rules. They also follow protocols. Means within the protocol they can do their work. So similarly here, in terms of network, in terms of data communication, when we are sending our message from one place to another, so that time we have to follow some set of rules. So these set of rules are known as protocols. Protocols are needed to work on web. So we have various kinds of protocols when we are working with the web. Or web, in simple words, web, like www means World Wide Web. There are various protocols here. First is HTTP protocol, second is FTP, third one is SMTP, fourth one is TCP IP. So these many protocols we will cover here because these are given in your syllabus. First is HTTP protocol. Its full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. These are the set of rules or protocols which are needed to transfer the files that contains text, graphics, image, sound, video or multimedia files on the World Wide Web. Means whenever we are transferring our web document which are hyperlinked, means which have hypertext, that suppose we want to send from one system to another system through the network, that time we have to use HTTP protocol. Means a simple web page or simple web document consists all these things like text, graphics, images, sounds, video. One page consists many things in it. Or while we are sending these page from one system to another system, that time one protocol is used. That protocol name is HTTP protocol, means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next is File Transfer Protocol, means it is FTP. These protocols are used to exchange files between computers on internet and also used for downloading files to computer from the other servers. Listen, suppose I want to send our Word file, PDF file, presentation file from one system to another computer system which are connected over the internet. So that time we have to use FTP protocols, or we can download file from the server in our computer. That time also we have to use FTP protocol. Suppose that one PDF file is given on the server and we want to download that file from the server, so that time this protocol will work. Protocol name is File Transfer Protocol. The File Transfer Protocol is a standard network protocol used to transfer computer files from one computer to another over a TCP based network. What is TCP? Transmission Control Protocol. Means a network which is based on TCP, means Transmission Control Protocol, then only it will work. Next protocol name is SMTP. It stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Means as a name suggests, simple mail, means this kind of protocol will work while we are working with mails. The protocol is used to send or receive emails and lets the user to save messages in server mailbox. So means during the sending a mail or receiving a mail, that time the one protocol will work. Protocol name is SMTP, and user can save these messages or mails in the server mailbox. Yes. Next is TCP IP, means transmission control protocol or internet protocol. It is the combination of two protocols. Here two protocols are involved. First is TCP and second one is IP. TCP stands for transmission control protocol and second one is internet protocol. These protocols work together. It is the main protocol used in the internet. Internet protocols divide the whole data into small packets. Means suppose you are having a large file. Suppose you want to download your movie. A movie you know very well, its size is approx 300 MB. Well, its quality is very low, and more than that, like 700 MB, 1 GB file, and you want to download that file which size is 1 GB. So it means server divide your information or this video into small packets, means small parts, or you can see these packets in your internet download manager. Okay, first time half part, second time it's 1/4, then 1/3 part, and then it can combine together to download whole movie. So means firstly it divides your data or information into small pieces. These small pieces known as packets. Means this protocol, which protocol name is internet protocol, divides the whole data into small packets at the source machine, then convert it into normal data while reaching at the destination machine. Means at the destination machine, means at the receiver ends, it combine it again together to make original ones. So TCP verifies the delivery of data whether it's correct or not from source computer to destination computer. Means TCP is a protocol is only for verification कि our data is correct or accurate or not. Means suppose I want to send a file which size is 100 MB, and at the receiver's end, its size is only 19 MB or maybe corrupted. So it is verified by TCP. TCP checks the file is properly sent or not, and it's correct or detect errors or recover the last data by retransmitting it. Once it detect error, then it send message to the sender for retransmitting that file. These many protocols we have discussed. I think all the protocols clear to you. First protocol HTTP for web document, second protocol FTP for file transfer, third protocol SMTP for mailing transfer, means sending or receiving mails, or last one is TCP IP. In IP used to divide your large data into small packets, and at the receiver's end, means at the destination, it again combine, no, act as a normal data, or TCP verifies your data is correct or not. Clear? Now next topic is your web hosting. Web hosting service is a type of internet hosting service that allows individual and organization to make their website accessible via the World Wide Web. Means host is a person which provide services on the internet. Means in the web hosting you can host your website. Once you host your website, then you can access your website from any place. This facility allows the organizations and individuals to create their own website. See this. This is the main point. This is a facility provided by the company or a host person to the organization or individual person to create their own website and host it. Web hosts, who are web hosts? Web hosts are the companies that provides space on the server for their clients to use. clients may be a company, clients may be an organization, clients may be a single person, means individual person. They own or lease these spaces. Lease these spaces means they can pay the charges for space, means whatever you used on the server you pay for that. Clear? Or own means you can purchase whole space for lifetime. That means this space is for you only. So means you can own or lease this type of spaces. Next topic is your internet and its addresses. In a network, any computer can communicate with any other computer, but both computers connected to the internet. There is one condition, means computer can communicate with other computers when both the computers are connected to the internet. If one is having internet and other one's having not internet, not connected with the internet, so communication cannot be possible. Communication is possible when network internet is properly working. It is a worldwide computer network that is interconnected by a satellite. Means suppose our one network is placed in our city, second network is placed in Delhi, third network is placed in Mumbai, and all they want to communicate. So these networks are overall networks are connected by the satellite, means networks are interconnected by the satellite. The meaningful information is called data. Sir, here is something wrong. The meaningful information is not a data. Data is a raw facts and figure which does not have meaning. Data is actual raw facts and figure. Suppose that I am saying like 2, 5, 10. What is this? Maybe this is a roll number. Maybe it is a marks of any student. So no one can say that 2, 5, 10 is what. Suppose I am saying that 2 is the roll number of Ram. 10 is the marks of Prachi. Then it is correct. Means it is the information. So meaningful data is called information. The data is broken down into small packets. Data or information is broken down. If it is large, then it broken down into small pieces. Pieces means it makes a packets. Large information divides into piece. Each piece is known as packet before transmitting one computer to another computer. Then it gets the normal data before reaching into destination machine. Means once all the packets reached at the destination, then it rearrange according to the address. So here address plays an important role. These packets have addresses, and these addresses are used to identify the sender or receiver and used to exchange information is called IP address. Means address plays an important role while we are sending or receiving data or information from one computer to another computer. So here IP stands for Internet Protocol Address. Just like a website www.google.com. Google.com is nothing but it is a domain. It is helpful to learn, but the actual address of that website is like the 192.168.1.1 like this. So this type of digits known as IP address. So every website has their own IP address. Means computer understand only digits. It can't understand words like www. I hope these many topics are clear to you. 3 topics we have discussed today about the protocols, web hosting, and internet and its addresses. Thank you class for this session.